Hello and all, welcome to a Galaxy Man Show here. This is my non-spoiler review on Birds of Prey. I just want to talk about Birds of Prey because I saw Birds of Prey yesterday in the cinemas, and what can I say? Birds of Prey was phenomenal. It was insane. Like, you have no idea how much like insane Birds of Prey was. It was so great seeing like Dinah Lance and the Huntress all come together in this one big Birds of Prey movie. It was incredible. Um, Man, it was amazing. Like the detective lady, Renee Montoya, I think her name was. Yeah, she was great. The Huntress was great. The actress who played the Huntress was amazing. The actress who played Dinah Lance was amazing. And I love how they were after this girl who basically, well, who robbed one of Black Mask's henchmen, basically, and Dinah Lance was working for Black Mask, and this girl named Cassandra basically stole this diamond off off Black Mask's henchman, and man, what can I say? This movie was incredible. It really was. It was insane. Great performance by Margot Robbie as Harley Quinn, as always. She does such an amazing performance as Harley Quinn. This whole cast was amazing, and yeah, the performances in this whole movie, Birds of Prey, was fantastic. Whoever hasn't seen this movie yet, what are you doing? Definitely go see this movie. Birds of Prey is one movie of the year for 2020 to definitely go and see. If anyone hasn't seen Birds of Prey, definitely go see it. It's definitely up there. It does have low rate like a low opening rating at the moment because like not many people have seen it yet. But yeah, overall it's fantastic, and whoever hasn't seen it, definitely go see it. Birds of Prey is definitely a movie to go see this year. So yeah, whoever hasn't seen Birds of Prey, definitely go see Birds of Prey. But overall, yeah, I am very pleased with Birds of Prey. Birds of Prey was amazing. Uh, the actor who played Black Mask, gosh, his performance as Black Mask was incredible. So yeah, overall, I really enjoyed Birds of Prey. I would probably have to give Birds of Prey a solid 9 out of 10 because it's up there for movie of the year this year. And yeah, overall, that's my review on Birds of Prey. So yeah, hopefully everyone enjoyed my non-spoiler review. And yeah, comment your thoughts down below what you guys thought about the movie Birds of Prey. And see you all next time for another Galaxy Man Show. Bye for now.